Want to learn how to find movies on Google Drive? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to our channel. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Choose a suitable web browser or even the Google site can work as well. Here on the search bar, you can type here drive.google.com.movies. Yes, exactly. You need to enter drive.google.com.movies. As you do this, on the top you'll get an option of Movies Google Drive. Tap on it. So you can choose one of the email that you want to watch the movies from. So I'm going to choose one of the one and then tap on OK. It says you just tap on OK. You enter the section of movies from Google Drive. So here you have lots of options of movies and you're all set for going and clicking on it and then watching it. This is how you find movies on Google Drive. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and